Welcome to my channel. Today I am in Tanni Jubbar lake. First I am showing you temple. This is some snake goat temple. It's like in Himachal, lot of temple like this, and this is the lake called like Tanni Jubbar lake nearby Narkanda. Hardly less than half an hour drive from Narkanda, or usually you can take taxi from there. Thousand 1200 around they will charge you, most probably. And you can come here anytime. Like this a small village also nearby. Usually don't have much crowd here. Less people are here always. As you can see, temple is quite beautiful old architecture and surrounded by pine trees, so that makes this more beautiful. And you can walk around this lake. Have this path. You can park anywhere car, you can see everywhere is cars are there, so usually don't have much an issue for this place. And suddenly like cloud came up, so dark. Now going back, this is the road for village. Further from this area there is many apple orchard also. Maybe you can see behind these pine trees. Now you can see apple orchards and home. Just walking in that, just is surrounded in pine trees only near the lake. This is the top of the hill. It's a small hill, but you can come here and sit. If you are coming with someone, then it's more good to have place like this. Now going back, nothing much to do here. Many places have like this kind of parks. You can say park, but I don't know. Can say park. This kind of forest parks are there. Now in Narkanda towards Shimla. Some cafe. Nothing much, just inside. I like that cafe, so I am showing you. Mostly I saw this close. I don't know. If you go, you may find. Don't. I don't know. But I like the cafe.